Ito na yata yung isa sa pinakamagandang laro ko ngayong season sa my career. First quarter guys na ankle break natin sa SGA. Pero hindi lang basta-basta ankle break guys, literal na nabali natin yung ankle niya. Nagtaka ko bakit pumito yung referee tapos nakita ko sa SGA, naka-Yamcha post na.
And I'll tell you, this is something you never like to see.
Yeah, you just hope it's nothing serious and that he's able to get back on the court as soon as possible.
Tapos fourth quarter guys, we were down by 4 pagkatapos may pasok itong second free throw. 6 seconds left, we had to call a quick timeout. At after ng timeout guys, ito quick inbound play. Pagkuha ko ng bola, humingi agad ako ng pick kay Lebron sabay 3 points. At dahil dun guys, isa na lang yung lamang ng kalaban. Mas okay sana kung makakuha kami ng steal dito, kaso nasalo nila yung bola dito sa inbound, so we had to foul quick to send them to the free throw line. Kasi okay lang naman kahit may pasok nila yung dalawa. Pwede pa rin kami mag 3 points dito para sa overtime. First shot was good para kay Caruso. 52 and 54, they are up by 2. Tapos dito guys, himala. Yung second free throw ni Caruso hindi pumasok. So pagkuha namin ng bola, agad-agad ako nag-timeout. Pero hindi ko pa rin alam gagawin ko dito guys. 1.9 seconds remaining, we were down by 2. Ang hirap nang gumawa ng play niyan. So ito na lang yung ginawa ko.
And with under 2 seconds remaining, they need something quick.
Nagtataka ko bakit tumahimik yung crowd, tapos naalala ko na sa home court nga pala kami ng kalaban. Pero anyway, ni-review ng referee yung tira natin and look at that shot guys, very majestic. Napakaganda ng pagka-buzzer beater natin dito guys. May bantay pa. Actually hindi ko din nakalain na papasok yan, pero pumasok eh. Hindi ko lang na-record lahat kasi nakapatay computer ko nung nilalaro ko to, pero it was counted guys. At ito, ni-replay nila ulit yung tira natin. Pero anyway guys, ito na naman yung another example na dapat lagi ka nagre-record kasi hindi mo alam yung mangyayari sa laro. Kung na-enjoy nyo to guys, make sure to follow or subscribe kung saan ka man nanonood. And also, share nyo to sa mga friends nyo.
Break the hearts of every fan in the building with a dramatic late victory.